It had been only 1 year since the RJ Medical College rape case, and the news comes out that yet another MBBS student has been gang raped. But more shockingly, the Chief Minister, MAMATA Banerjee, subtly shifts all the blame onto the girl because she wanted to protect her state's flawed law and order. Listen to this.
Especially the girl child, at night time, they should not be allowed to come out in the outside. They have to protect themselves also.
This is the condition of her state's law and order, where a woman has to protect herself by not allowing herself to come out at night.
क्रिमिनल तो क्राइम करेगा ही, तुम सतर्क क्यों नहीं रहते हैं? अब तुम लोग अपनी बॉडी लेके बाहर घूमोगे तो क्रिमिनल तो काट ही देगा ना?
This sarcasm is now a reality of West Bengal. The reality where the victim's father said that he wanted